First of all, open a browser, use Google Chrome, or Safari. I am using Safari here. Search for VSCode, and go to the website. Now, click on download and wait for it to complete. After the download is completed, don't run it. Now, open the Downloads folder in Finder, and locate Visual Studio Code. After that, drag the Visual Studio Code app, and drop it into Applications folder. And now, you have successfully installed Visual Studio Code in your MacOS. You can see it at the bottom of the Applications folder. To run Visual Studio Code, open Launchpad, and click on Visual Studio Code icon. When running, for the first time, macOS will verify the app, and ask you whether to open or not. Click Open, and VS Code will launch. Now, let's open a project from desktop, just for demo. And here it is. Goodbye, and have a great day.